So I made the painting specifically for the site, for the church, to respond to its volume and architecture. The process of the painting, so there are paintings on pegboards. Pegboards are raw industrial material that is very common in the States. This is used usually in a garage, or it's to hang tools, and it has perforated grids. So the grids for me was being already in place, helped me with the process. So the process of the painting is painting the surface of the pegboard and pushing the colors through the pegboard, and getting all those marks and sort of gesture that are not totally controlled. They kind of spread randomly on the surface of the pegboards. It's an ongoing series, and when I came in July to check the space, I had already worked on that series for a couple of months already. I started last October, I think, and I made smaller ones. It's the first time I was given, the opportunity to make such large work. So they are very different in the sense that I had much more freedom somehow because of the scale of the painting. The gesture was sort of amplified, and so it was a very different approach. The scale was gave me the freedom of gesture, and the gesture are subjective somehow, in a sense. You cannot really locate them, and this was for me the main it's the main aspect of the painting, is that they are not locatable. You can see all the accidents and the randomness of the marks on the surface of the paintings. You cannot locate, there is no direct gesture. And one aspect of the painting is also that the background of the pegboard, before painting the colors, the background is spray painted with silver spray paint. The silver quality of the painting here registers its surroundings, so it kind of grabs the atmosphere of the church. So it's whatever is around is also registered in the painting. So they look very different, obviously.